So what is an integer? An integer is the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Now, what is a whole number? A whole number is any number that does not have a decimal or a fraction attached, right? So 3, 5, 7, 9, 6, 7, 4, 0, 1, 21, 3,000. All whole numbers. Infinity is not a real number. Right? So 999,999, yes, right? But whole numbers are always assumed to be positive. Are y'all with me? The minute that you add those negatives, which are considered to be the opposite, so what's the opposite of positive 5? Negative 5. What's the opposite of 1,000? Negative 1,000. So the minute that you add those opposites, they are now considered to be integers. Are you all with me? If it's just a positive number, then it's a whole number and an integer. If it's a negative number, it's just an integer because it's a negative. It's the opposite of a positive whole number. Are y'all with me? All right, so what are they looking for from us? So if we go back here, it says the sum of 3 consecutive, what? Odd integers. What are odd numbers? Odd integers. Give me 3 odd integers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd, right? Now, what are they asking us? They're asking us for 3 numbers, but they said consecutive. So what do I want? In order. They got to come one behind the other. I can't give you 1 and then give you 7 as the next number. Why? Because they're not consecutive. What comes after 1?
2, 3.
Odd consecutive numbers. What comes after 1? 3. And then 5. And then 7. So they got to be in order. Okay? Now, we always got to pay attention, Caleb, to what they're asking us. If they say to us just consecutive integers, then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got it one behind the other. They're just one space apart. Right? But if they say to us consecutive odd, how far apart are odd numbers? 2 spaces. So if your first one is x, then your second one has to be x plus 2. And then the next one's going to be x plus 4. And then the next one's going to be x plus 6. Because they keep moving 2 spaces away. Are you all with me? What if they say consecutive even? If they say consecutive even, your first number is x. What's your second one gonna be? X plus 2 again. Because how far apart are even numbers? 2 spaces apart. So whether it's odd or consecutive even, they still what? 2 units apart. Are you all with me? Now, if they just said consecutive with no odd or even, then it's gonna be x, and then the next one gonna be x plus 1 because it's the next one. Next one gonna be x plus 2 because it's the next one, right? But what have they asked us for here? They've asked us for odd. So, do we know the first number? No. So what are we gonna put if we don't know the first number? X. Now, what about the next number? The consecutive odd number.
X plus 2.
It's gonna be x plus 2. And then my third number would be what?
X plus 4.
X plus 4. Does everybody understand where we're getting these numbers from?
Yes.
Yes? Now, I don't know what these numbers are going to be, but I do know that they're going to add up to be what? 3. So when I add this with this and that, I'm going to get what? 3. Now, that seemed kind of strange, that you can add up these 3 numbers and end up with the 3, right? I saw on somebody's paper before, they put 1 plus 1 plus 1. I saw that a couple times. I mean, I would put 1 plus 1 plus 1 too if you asked me for 3 numbers to add up to 3. Right? But what's wrong with 1 plus 1 plus 1 in this situation? They're not consecutive. They don't fall one behind the other. Right? So, let's see what these numbers could be. What's the imaginary coefficients on these x's? 1. So I'm going to put a 1, a 1, a 1. And I don't like how this looks because I like all my like terms side by side. So what property am I going to use to move things around so that my like terms are side by side? Commutative. So tell me what to write on my next line. 1x
Plus 1.
plus 1x
Plus 1x.
plus 1x
Plus 2.
plus 2
Plus 4.
plus 4
Equals 3.
equals 3. Any questions? Everybody good there? Yes? Yes, boo. You had a question? Okay, on which part? This part? Oh, we just took what's the same. 1x, 1x, 1x can be combined. So we wrote it so they're side by side. And then we took 2 and 4, which can go together because they like terms, and we put them together. That's all. We use community property just to move everything around so we can see stuff that go together side by side. Okay? So now watch this. 1x plus 1x plus 1x go together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do I get when I do 1x plus 1x plus 1x?
3x.
3x. See why I wanted to put them together? So I could just see them, right? And then I got what? 2 plus 4 gonna give me what?
6.
What kind of 6?
Positive.
Positive 6. That's how it makes my problem, right? And then that's gonna be equal to what?
3.
Any questions on this so far?
No.
Nope. Everybody good? All right. Now, what am I always solving for? X. What's around the x that I need to get rid of right now? 3 and 6. Which one am I going to get rid of first? 6. What kind of 6 is that? How do I undo that? Negative. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. What property am I using right now? Subtraction pole. Very good. These cancel out. Tell me, sir, what my next line is going to read.
3x equals -3.
Do we all agree with that?
Yes.
Excellent. Everybody follow?
Yes.
Am I done?
No.
No, I still need to get this x by itself. What's around x that I still need to get rid of?
3.
3. What's the relationship between 3 and x?
Multiplication.
How do I undo that?
Division.
So I'm going to divide both sides by what I'm trying to get rid of, which is 3. These going to cancel out. And tell me what am I going to have left over here? X equals. Now wait. What's a negative? I like to do my signs first, so I'll mess them up. What's a negative divided by a positive?
Negative.
A negative. And what's 3 divided by 3?
1.
1. So what do I have as my solution? X equals -1. But that's my first number. And that's my lowest number. Am I done?
No.
No, because we got 2 more numbers because they asked us for 3 consecutive odd integers. So Miss Stampley, where them other numbers going to come from? Well, let's go back. Then we say our first number was 1x.
Yes.
Isn't that 1x?
Yes.
And we said our second number was what? X plus 2. And we said our third number was what? X plus 4. So then let's go back. My next number is going to be X plus 2. And my last number is going to be X plus 4. So let's check it. Let's see. Calculators real quick. What did we say X is equal to?
-1.
So tell me what you're going to put in your calculator.
-1.
How do you put in -1? 1 plus or minus. And then what? Plus 2 equals what?
1.
1. Oh, look at that. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Got to. Let's look at this number line. If this is 0, isn't this -1? And this is 1? And 1 and -1 are odd? Yes. And -1 and 1 are integers? Yes. And how far apart are they?
2 spaces.
2 spaces. That makes sense to me, right? Now let's do it again. What do we got right here? X plus 4. What did we say X was? -1. So what's -1 plus 4? 3. And again, 2 more spaces going to put us at a 3. So what are our 3 consecutive odd integers?
-1, 1, and 3.
There you go. Now, do they really add up to 3?
Yes.
But let's see. Clear out your calculator. Let's put them in. Let's see. This is how we check. Right? What do we put in? Put a 1
Plus or minus.
plus or minus. Then we're going to put what?
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Plus
And then what? Plus 3 equals. What do we get?
3.
3. Well, did they?
Yes.
We did that. Let's clap it out. We got the right answer. All right. So now watch this. Here's how you could have easily figured out that these actually work. Because what happens when you put -1 with a positive 1?
Cancel out.
They cancel out. So that's going to leave you with what?
3.
3. They gave us our answer. Any questions?
No.
Are we all good?
Yes.
Which 2 do we set up the same? Consecutive integers, consecutive odd integers, and or consecutive even integers?
Odd and even.
Odd and what? Even. Both of them will start with X, and the next number will be,
X plus 2.
and the last number will be.
X plus 4.
Everybody follow?
Yes.
Yes? What if they're just consecutive integers, period? What would it be? X, x plus 1, x plus 2. Any questions?
No.
Very good. Can you stop that for me? Thank you.